What? Did Mama say you were going for a bath? Bob? She wants to go for her bath now. What? You talking to me? PetSmart will be there. They're not open till 8 o'clock. Sit. Sit. Come. It's okay. It's okay. Well, let's go.
I wish I had a cat to play with.
But Daddy, here's my leash. Go get my leash. Misha, come here. Settle down for a few minutes. It's not time yet. Sit. Sit. Okay, all this for a bath. All this for bath. If anybody ever wonders whether you like your bath or not, all right, I will get you ready. I will get